接到点菜后，才开始带面团、切面条，为了就是要让消费者品尝到上正宗的意大利面。不止这坚持，就连橄榄油甲酱汁，全部拢是意大利空运来台。会如此的高工，也是因为意大利的主厨欧玛要求。
The main difference between eat Italian food here and eat in Italy is the quality of the product. Because over there we have like the tomato is very different. All the product from Italy is different from here. Also like here is from Italy this, but it's not 100% from Italy. So the quality is quite different. That's why like also extra virgin olive oil because we cook only with the extra virgin olive oil. Eggplant, everything is quite different. The noodle I make a traditional noodle that my grandma make. Is the flour 00 flour, typical for the bread, and then I put some semolina flour. Semolina is the flour is big, it's not very fine, and then the yolk egg. This is a traditional by hand. I like to make it by hand and not with the machine because the texture is different. If you make it with the machine, it becomes too smooth. But if you make it by hand, the texture you can feel one piece is hard and one piece is soft, so the texture is different.
饭店业者为即马开始一直到月底，展开为期2周意式味蕾飨宴。消费者现在来到远东咖啡自助餐厅，除了会当吃到各式美味的餐点以外，更当品尝到上正宗的意大利料理。
从3月15号一直到3月31号，快闪意大利美食节意式味旅的这一个美食节活动，由我们的意大利籍的行政主厨欧玛带来原汁原味的家乡菜哦。那其中大家绝对不能够错过，就是新鲜现做的意大利面区，吃起来的口感，因为是全程手工现做，从面粉擀面手到的粒劲整个吃起来的那个风味，绝对有别于一般我们坊间所吃到的意大利面食。那这个部分消费者在这段期间千万不要错过。除此之外呢，我们欧玛主厨也带来意大利非常经典的料理，例如说必吃的正宗的意大利披萨、意大利饺，然后意大利地中海的料理，还有非常多样化的轻食，还有甜点，以及非常有特色的饮品。欢迎大家在这段期间为期只有15天的意大利美食节的活动，千万不要错过，到远东咖啡厅来作为品尝。
意节主厨欧玛有20多年的餐饮经验，过去曾经在世界各个知名饭店以及米其林餐厅服务，有着丰富的历练。这次在饭店10楼的意式味旅飨宴，介意食意大利面的朋友千万唔通错过。台南新闻张硕维采访报道。